Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today is June 21st, and I wanted to just do a quick video on a new day trading setup that I done over the weekend that worked out actually better today for me than using the active trader. Um, when the market opens and the numbers are fluctuating, it can give us a little bit of anxiety. I know for me it does. And the way I've set it up now is where you don't have to see the ladder. So you just go to your menu, open your customized grid, open your sidebar, and we're going to add the trade tab, and we're going to remove the active trader. So I'm no guru. I'm just sharing what kind of has been helping me in the market lately. So I remove all of these. You're more than welcome to keep them if you like them. But you just set this up how you would set your active trader top part up and just set it up the same way. I use cancel all buy, cancel all sell, because when if you just hit cancel, it asks you an extra question. You got to go through the extra step. So I'd rather choose what I want to cancel. And I use the working order. And I use the position indicator. Where is it? There it is. And so once that's set up, you just hit save and save it. And we're going to save it to I'm missing something I didn't do. I need to be able to buy the axe, and I want to sell the bid. That might be the most important part of this setup, huh, y'all? All right, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, buy the axe, sell the bid quantity. Okay. And then once you do that, we're going to pop it out like we popped out our P and L percent box over here that we did that time. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to come here and we're going to hit detach. And we're going to minimize it. And if all of this does not fit, these can go on the second row. That's fine. Because you don't want your box to be humongous, but you do want to be able to see if you're in any positions. And most importantly, you're going to pin it. Remember, we pin to keep it on top, and then you go back to your regular trading chart that you used to trade. And so now you have your chart you're watching, and then you have your active trade box, and you just link your contracts however you do. And I know some people just save their contracts to a watch list. Me, I have the scanner where they pop up during the day. So in the morning pre-market, I always create a watch list according to what I'm trading or watching that morning. So today I was watching Lucid and Comcast. So I made a watch list. I just named it Comcast. And so everything that was popping up for Lucid and Comcast will pop up here. Most of the volume went to LCID, so therefore I traded LCID, not based off just that, but based off the chart itself. And this is not a strategy video, but I just want to show you how easy you can set up the scanner to see what's going on to make sure that the volume is matching up with the chart so you don't get faked out. And that's it for this video. If you guys want to know more about Thinkorswim, just let me know. And then this is the P&L that we done the last time. I actually made some changes, and I'll show you guys in this video. So when you go to P&L and you go to customize, you can also add position quantity. So if you have 5 contracts, it'll show you that. The position net liquidity, it'll show you that. And we already add the P&L and P&L percent a day on our last video, but I have since then added the position quantity as well as position net liquidity. So if you want to add those and see how those work for you, you can do that as well. And I have not popped this box out, but if you want to, you still can pop this one out. I have a bigger screen now that I don't have that third active trader. So now I can leave this open without having to pop this out to close this. So that works much better for me. So I hope this Thinkorswim day trading setup that I am using now helps you a little bit. And then make sure that you save your workspace again if you make any changes to this over here, so that it will keep that over there for you. And that is it. Have a great day, and I hope you have a great green, super green week this week.